Guys, today we're going to talk about printing to the console. So let's first talk about the main method in Java. As you can see, inside of our class declaration with the name sample class, we have our main method right here. And the header reads as follows: public static void main, in parentheses string, you have these little two brackets here, and you have args. So let's not worry about this too much right now. But the thing that I want you to understand is that whenever this class is run, when you press this green button up here, whenever this class is run, it calls this method right here. So any code you put inside of this method will be run. So let's start talking about how can we print to the console. So this is a command to print to the console, system.out.println. And that inside of this, you'll be able to put any string you want inside of these quotation marks. So we can say, hello world. And to compile and run this program, we'll just click the green arrow up here. As you can see, we've printed to the console. So let's look at some other ways we can print to the console. Now instead of a string, which uses these double quotation marks, we can also print out an integer as well. So we can print out 65. Likewise, we can also print out a double, which is a double precision number. We'll get into variables later. But for now, just know that it's a decimal number. So we can print out 98.6. And we can even print out characters. So if we press run, you can see all of these printed out right here. So there's one other method that you should know about, and that is just the print method. So the difference between println and print, let's see, system.out.print. Okay, so the difference between the println method and print is that println moves the cursor to the next line before printing the following statement. For example, it prints hello world, then since we have an ln there, it moves on to the next line here before printing 65. But if we leave off the ln, it will not move the cursor. So we can print out 5, then we can also print out 7, the 8, and none of these have ln's on them. So if we run this, you can see here that I printed 5, and it left the cursor there, and then it printed 78. It did not move on to the next line. So again, if we print a string there, such as thank you, it will still print on the same line. 578, thank you. And notice that this still contained the ln, but that only affects it after it prints it. So after this thank you was printed, it moved on to the next line. So guys, that's it for printing to the console. Thanks for watching.